Hello, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture, I pay attention to seeder and database seeding. Laravel include a simple method of seeding your database with test data using seed class. All seed class are stored in the database and open directory database and seeding in database seeder. And seed class may have any name you wish, but probably should follow some sensible convention, such as user seeder. For create new seeder and save data with seeder, open terminal and write PHP artisan. PHP artisan and seed and make and seeder. Okay, PHP artisan make and seeder, and for example user and seeder. Okay, enter and seeder created successfully, and close this and refresh. User seeder is created. Okay, for example, I in run public function run define and new user for each range 1 and 10. Okay, as dollar item. Okay, we can say dollar user or item or other, and in DB call DB and table users, and insert I call insert and this. Okay, close. Open table users and structures, name, name, email, email verified as nullable, and password, and other is nullable. I complete is column is not nullable. I say name, and for example name, name dollar use this dollar name. Okay, or in use dollar user. Change dollar item to dollar user and use of dollar user. Okay, and copy this email and we can use this, and we can use str random number. For example, I use this, and after this I use str random password. Okay, password and password. We can use password hash and make password, but we use of this. Okay, for running this public function run in user seeder, I call PHP artisan and db find db in this artisan and db seed. Okay, PHP artisan db seed and click enter. Okay, database seeding complete successfully. Refresh and user and not create any. Okay. Why not create? Because in database seeder I call user seeder, but we can use Artisan DB seed class for running this, and user and user seeder and run, and I open in user and refresh and see 1 2 or 10, name 1 and name 1, name 2 or 10, email, password. It is currently work. Okay, I use str and use define in database seeder. I change the this, remove this and remove this, and it is okay. In database table user insert name, I use str random. Okay, I use str and random, and 10 I use str random. I copy this and use email. Okay, and for random 10 I use dot. I use dot and at. I use email or name or other in use, and I use @ gmail.com. Password change to hash and make password. Okay, I use in DB class user seeder, and if refresh error for user DB str random. Okay, for using str random we want to use helper method of Laravel. Okay, I open Laravel in Google, search Laravel helpers. Okay, and Laravel helpers, I back and open GitHub Laravel helpers and use this package for Laravel 8 and copy, paste and install. Composer require Laravel helpers. Okay, version 1.4 install, extracting archive and install in my project. It is install, and in if refresh DB seeder, and I see this error in use random. It is okay. It is incorrect define. I want to use eliminate support str. It is your in str used of psy util. I clear this and press alt and enter. Import class of eliminate support str. Okay, it is work, and cls for clean and run db user. It is correctly work. Okay, refresh and one column run, and ID Erwin, and name, and at Gmail, and password hash. It is work. For using our user seeder in database seeder, we can use this. We can use this user factory and user create, or we can use in this use $this call method, and use all. We can use in this here all seeder, user seeder, article seeder, and other. For example, user seeder class. Okay, and we can use database db, just run db seed, and seeding user seeder, find user seeder and seed, refresh, added one other. Okay, it is work. We can use created at and updated at. It is empty, and we can use created at now. We can use now, and updated at, and run db seed, and if refresh this in created at and updated at, it is full. If I use db and use strrandom, name or email or other, it is not name and not email. I can use faker, and we can use faker in GitHub. I search in GitHub Fisa neon faker, Fisa neon, and in user not found Fisa neon auto. In Google search Fisa neon auto faker. Okay, and find Fisa neon auto, and we can use this for Word. I use this and not needed installed in Laravel because defaultly installed in Laravel, and we can we can use this. Okay, I use $faker and factory and create. Okay, I use this. For name, we can use $faker text and text and 10. Okay, and if in check echo $faker name, $faker address, and we can use $faker text, or change we can use $fake name. Okay, and email $faker email, and password, it is work, and we can use created updated, it is to work. Run php artisan db seed and open database and check this. Isabel Muller and it is tour work and created and update that it is full. We can use for each for create range 120 and as any or dollar user. Okay, and use these. Okay, and if I use dbseed seed db, okay, user and create 20. If I use 100, it is currently work, and we can use Seeder in project for creating data.